Okay, we're going to watch a question by Joe Esmond with Harry Supporter. Harry Supporter will answer the question, and it's an interesting answer.
Man said over there, as we build these things out, and there's all this been incorporated up front, the upfront cost. There's a off-the-shelf way, if you can answer though. An off-the-shelf must be, shall be.
All of the improvements that you saw today have been incorporated in the PMLR project.
Okay.
All of the improvements that you saw today, if CRC goes forward, have been incorporated.
Okay, Harry, the CRC is dead, all right? Stop beating the dead horse. CRC is dead. You know who killed CRC, Harry? TriMet killed CRC.
In those projects as well. Are these treatments standard around the world? The answer is no. The Europeans tend to treat things differently. There have been a series of projects through the Transit Cooperative Research Program that have studied a variety of treatments. That first report was Report 17 that went back to the late 80s. And at that time, there really wasn't any design criteria that was developed as to how to move forward. But over the years, there have been a series of other studies that have been performed, and the treatments that you are seeing today are ones that are being learned from TriMet. I mean, TriMet has been a leader in providing these types of improvements.
There he goes. Good. Now, that's why Harry's got the job, because Neil McFarlane can always count on Harry to plug TriMet. TriMet's the leader in this stuff. I mean, I don't know what he's talking about. Maybe you do. I mean, I guess TriMet actually has had the light rail the longest, and they put it in all wrong, of course, because TriMet put it right down the middle of the street, and we're seeing over and over again how stupid that is to put light rail down the middle of the street. And hopefully other cities aren't going to make the same mistake TriMet did with their installation of light rail.
So
I guess
it's work in progress. It's as we learn more about pedestrian behavior, about how light rail operates in the urban environment, we continue to make improvements.
I grew up outside of Philadelphia and used mass transit. We had the commuter trains and they had the high-speed lines. And these tracks go back to about way before me even, 1870s, 1880s. And every station where you go and get on, they had a tunnel that you could just walk through. And I'm not going to debate the cost of here, but you can't fix stupid.
What Joe was getting at there was that this is not some new technology. There's been subways and trains, and I mean, they've had trolleys on the streets for many, many years. So for Harry to go around and say this is new technology is a bunch of baloney. There's plenty of places in the world that know that it's really not a good idea to have people walking over tracks. This clip got ended because the film ended at this point, but I think the point is that Harry, really, for you to keep saying that this is a brand new technology is complete bullshit, and we know it. You're just trying to cover TriMet liability once again.